The HD Animals and Birds Library is a high-definition set of 874 specialty sound effects selected from Sound Ideas General HD Combo Collection. All digitally recorded at 24-bit 96K, these broadcast WAV files are fully embedded with metadata. And each HD Animals and Birds hard drive also comes equipped with 1644.1, 1648, and 2448 audio files. From toy poodles to Siberian huskies, Siamese cats to leopards and lions, and kookaburras to killer whales, these outstanding specialty sound effects need to be heard to be believed. So here we go. The HD Animals and Birds Library also includes a complimentary copy of Sound Ideas MetaDigger software, an easy-to-use program designed to display, search, and export metadata details from broadcast WAV and MP3 audio files. The HD Animals and Birds Library, available only from Sound Ideas.